Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the 30-day visa exemption stamp here in Thailand. And for those who are unaware, at least prior to the COVID-19 outbreak, it was possible for nationals of certain countries to come to Thailand without a visa and simply be stamped into the country for 30 days. Now, sometimes this is called a 30-day visa stamp. It is not, in fact, a visa. It is an exemption stamp exempting an individual from needing a visa. So it's 30 days of lawful status in the kingdom. It can be extended by 30 further days, but it is not, in point of fact, an actual visa itself. The question posed in this video is this going to come back post-COVID-19? And I have had some people ask me this, not as many as I would have thought. I don't think people have really thought about it. Most of the folks that are in country, they're talking to me on this topic, they're already in country. It just isn't something that kind of percolates up to the front of their mind. But I think presuming that 30-day stamps are just going to immediately come back in the relatively foreseeable future is not particularly prudent. I think, in fact, it may be a while before the 30-day exemption scheme returns and we actually see those stamps being reissued. Thailand has clearly, well, it looks to me like Thailand's paradigm on this overarching issue is very quote-unquote risk-averse, as we have seen immigration, or I should say tourism officials state on the record. They've said that discussions are risk-averse regarding returning tourists. So clearly the priority right now is stemming the tide of COVID-19 and not necessarily prioritizing tourism. I think that will change. Let me be clear. I do think this paradigm is not here forever. I think eventually the tide will turn, things will change in this regard, and we will see the paradigm at Thai immigration shift as well. That stated, such a shift remains to be seen, and I don't think it is prudent for those who are looking to travel to Thailand to simply just presume that the 30-day exemption stamp is going to be available, at least for the forthcoming, I would say 90 to probably 180 days.